Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to move your character in Roblox games. So use the W key to move forward, A to move left, S to move backward, and D to move right. Move your mouse to look around and change the direction your character faces, and jump by clicking spacebar. And depending on the game, you might be able to sprint by holding the shift key while moving. Use the E key or click to interact with objects or other players. That's it. Let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.